What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Perry, and in this channel I document the build of my Tesla Model 3 and my Tesla Model Y. In this video I'm going to show you how I mount this Maier EV front spoiler. As some of you may know, Maier EV has been a long supporter of my Model 3 build. I'm always working with their customer to support them when needed, so I always get asked on how to install these spoilers, which is why I've decided to make this video. So what we have here is a forged carbon fiber Maier EV front spoiler for a Model 3. First, I'm gonna put the car up on a jack stand because I'm going to need that extra clearance from the bottom. I'll be using a standard low profile floor jack and a safe jack stand. Now that the car is up in the air and it is safe for me to work on, let's take a look at the spoiler mounting tabs. So unlike most aftermarket spoilers that are just double-sided tape on the top side of the bumper lip, Maier EV spoiler wraps around the bottom to avoid any air pockets between the backside of the spoiler and the bumper itself, to minimize drag and also provide a stronger mounting solution using all factory mounting locations. There's a total of 6 tabs on the Maier EV spoilers, which aligns with the 6 factory holes where there are 6 push tabs holding the undercover panels. I will also be drilling out the tabs on the spoiler to allow the push tab to fit through. I'll be removing all 6 of the factory push tabs and will be replacing them with longer push tabs. Please note that Maier EV provides 6 sets of stainless steel bolts and nuts for insulation, which I'm not going to be using simply because it requires more work. Although it will be a much more secure solution, the owner of this Model 3 is not likely going to hit the track or do anything crazy, so I think this will be more than enough. If you're concerned with how strong it'll hold up, you can use the bolts and nuts provided, but you'll have to remove a few undercover panels to access the other side of the under panel to use the nuts to secure the spoiler. The kit also comes with adhesive promoter, which is always nice to use for any double-sided tape application. I test fit the spoiler and align the tabs on the spoiler with the holes on the undercover panel, so I can mark where I need to drill on the spoiler tabs. I then carefully drill the holes on the tabs with a 3/8 drill bit. Always wear a mask and preferably long sleeve when drilling carbon fiber. Alright, it's time to see if the long push tab works. And it did. Although I think I could use an even longer one. I can share a link to where I get this push tab kits from Amazon. Check video description for affiliate Amazon link. All we have to do now is to clean the bumper and the backside of the spoiler with some isopropyl alcohol. Apply the adhesive promoter everywhere the double-sided tape will make contact. Peel back the double-sided tape backing just slightly and fold it back so you'll have access to pull it later. Place the spoiler on, which is a really good fit by the way. There is no effort needed to push to get the spoiler to sit flush with the bumper. Peel back the double-sided tape all the way, give it a slight push to make sure the double-sided tape is bonded. Finish installing the rest of the push tab if you haven't already done so, and you're done. In my opinion, this is still one of the best spoiler out there. Coming from a JDM car background, it sits low and aggressive. It's simple and it doesn't have any venting holes or winglet at the end, which is just perfect in my opinion. And being a functional spoiler built for track, it's just icing on the cake. And that's all I have for this video. If you're interested in this spoiler, you can go to MaierEV.com, use code SAVE7TESLADIY to save yourself 7%. Also check out my YouTube store if you want to support my channel, or if you just want some cool t-shirts, hoodies, or stickers. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.